Good morning everyone. Welcome to online study corner. Topic for today is collocation. What is collocation? Collocations are the words that usually go together. Means let's have a deep look on what is collocation. Collocation is made up of two words, co and location. Co means together and location stands for place. Ideally, if we say what is collocation, then we can say that collocation is the group of words that usually go together. Means the words they just go together are called collocation. Means the word which we are habitual to say together are the collocations. Like heavy rain, we say heavy rain. When it is raining in abundance, then we will say heavy rain. When it is raining heavily, we may say it's raining abundantly, it's raining greatly, but they don't sound correct. There seems to be something missing, something wrong. So we say it's raining heavily or heavy rain. Another examples of collocation are heavy rush. We never say heavy rush and great rush. Both are the examples of collocation, but one never say large rush. And collocation are made up of words with have a bath, have some fun, have a seat, have a drink, have a holiday. These are the common example of collocations that are formed with the word have. इसी तरह से word mind your own business. Mind your own business is also an example of collocation that is started with mind. These are the common examples that we can follow with a force that usually bind the words together, and we become habitual to use these words even together forever, and so these are called collocations. If we say the formation of collocation, then first formation or first group is adverb plus adjective. Adverb and adjective both mix together to make a collocation, and example of this is utterly stupid. If we say it is utterly stupid to talk to him, उससे बात करना बिल्कुल बहुत बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी है, तो हम क्या कहेंगे? utterly stupid. यहाँ utterly क्या है? Utterly is an adverb and stupid is an adjective. Hence, the word is become a collocation utterly stupid. Next example of this kind of collocation is completely satisfied. Completely is an example of adverb and satisfied is an adjective. Hence, it is also an example of collocation. After that, the second form of collocation can be adjective plus noun. Means one adjective and one noun both make together a collocation like heavy traffic. We usually use this word heavy traffic, heavy rush, right? But we never say large traffic, great traffic, right? Why? Because we are habitual to use these words together, and when the words are in a such form that persons become habitual to use them in the existing form, then these are called collocation. Next is noun and noun. Two nouns combined together to make a collocation. For example, source of anger. Source of anger is an example of collocation which is formed with two nouns. Next is noun plus verb. Like lion roar. Here lion is an example of noun and roar is an example of verb. We never say lion shout. We always use the word lion roar, right? Next is verb plus adverb. One verb and one adverb can make a perfect collocation like sang sweetly. Here sang is a verb, singing sing, sang, sung. तो sang क्या है? एक verb है. And sweetly is an example of an adverb. कि what was the manner of singing? It was in a sweet manner, right? तो sang sweetly is an example of collocation formed with verb and adverb. इसी तरह से whispered softly. Whispered is an example of verb and softly manner है कि कैसे बोला गया? softly बोला गया, बहुत ही धीरे से बोला गया. ठीक है, तो softly क्या है? adverb है, verb की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. इस तरह से यहाँ भी क्या होता है कि एक collocation बन जाती है verb plus adverb से. Next example is verb plus expression with preposition. One verb and one expression that contains preposition is also able to form a collocation. For example, plane take off. Here plane is, sorry, this example is not good for here. Okay. Next example is burst into laughter. Burst क्या है? Burst is a verb and into laughter is a expression with preposition. Into is a preposition. Hence, the verb burst into laughter. We many a time we use these words like burst into laughter. Burst into laughter क्या है? Burst into laughter मतलब जोर से हंसना, या यहाँ हो सकता है burst into tears. राइट, इस तरह से ये क्या है? कोलोकेशन का एक एग्जाम्पल है. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अनदर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज वर्ब प्लस नाउन. वर्ब प्लस नाउन इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोलोकेशन. लाइक मेक अ मिस्टेक. वी यूजुअली से डोंट मेक अ मिस्टेक या डोंट मेक अ नॉइज. So these are the example of verb plus noun. Here make is a verb and mistake is a noun. Next, take a break. Committed a crime. Committed suicide. These are the examples of collocations. Finally, we have more examples of collocations like from take we can say take a break, take a rest. But when we say take a rest, then we shall use take. Take a rest is an example of perfect collocation. But if we replace take with have, then we will say have some rest. Right? Next is make a noise, make a mistake, but committed a crime. Next is break. Break a habit, break someone's heart, break the ice. Break the ice means break the silence. But we never say break the silence. We say break the ice, मतलब चुप्पी तोड़ना. Break a leg. Break a leg यानी कि बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करना. जाओ और जाकर बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करो. Means go and break a leg. इस तरह से इस वर्ड का यूज किया जाता है. Next is sound sleep. We always say have a sound sleep, but we never say have a deep sleep. इस तरह से sound sleep is an example of perfect collocation, but deep sleep is never used like a collocation. Next is snowfall. You many times have heard snowfall. Snowfall क्या है? Snowfall is an example of collocation, but we can say icefall. Yes, the meaning is similar, but the formation is not. But the formation of word icefall doesn't seem good, so we will say, hence you can say snowfall instead of icefall. Right? These were the common examples of collocation, and collocation is a topic that is good for English learners and the students or the persons who wish to speak in English, and for the students of competitive exams also collocation is an important topic. Apart from this, this is an important topic in the preparation of NET exams and CTET, HTET and KVS, NVS exams also. So, read these collocations carefully and understand the main essence of this topic. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section box.